Alright, it's a rainy day here in New Hampshire, so what better thing to do than go to the thrift store, and see if we can get some good junk and sell it. Alright, keep you updated. I'll see you there. Alright, we're at our first spot. Never been here before, just want to see how it is. Alright, I got a bag full of goodies. Hopefully we'll make some money. Probably not, because I'm going to keep most of it. Oh well. Perfect day to spend money. Alright, we're just driving along. Going to the next spot. Hopefully we find something good. Plus, catching a little of the scenery too. Look at those colors changing. Alright, we're at our second spot of the day. It's gonna hopefully pay off. We'll see. Anyway, get us out on this rainy, dreary day. Hopefully they have some stuff. Alright, they had nothing. Not a single thing. So I'm gonna try another store, probably my last one, because I'm getting kind of hungry. So I'll see you soon. Alright, here we are. Probably the last place we're gonna try. So hopefully we get lucky. Alright, I got so much stuff. I don't know if it's worth anything, but Game of Thrones, board game, a puzzle. God. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so let's see what the haul was today. I got unopened vintage puzzle from 1983. Unopened vintage paper plates from 1975. Sweet. I got the Game of Thrones board game. Ooh, second edition. Not bad, not bad. I got a Rick and Morty card game. Cool. I got some cheesy Transformer. That's what I got. I'm gonna keep this actually. It's a wedge for chopping down trees. Not that I want to chop down any of those beautiful trees, but I also scored some vintage NES games. That's going in the collection. Because why not? I got some manuals too. It's pretty awesome. Alright, so after I buy the items, I open them up, clean them if I have to, and then I take good pictures. And I listed all these. Hopefully they sell. Come on, eBay. Come on, eBay. If I just will it strong enough, somebody will buy. Come on, eBay. Oh, God. Come on, somebody buy something. Buy something. Wouldn't it be nice if I had the power to will people to buy things from me? Oh, wow. Oh my... Yo, you won't freaking believe this. I just willed it. That was just now. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? The second I turn off the camera, oh my God. I willed it. Alright. So, we gotta wrap this. So first I'm gonna make a little cardboard container for it so it doesn't get bent in transit. And then basically we just put it in our mailer and wrap it up and it's good to go. Now all I need to do is print a label and stick it in the mail, and that's it. That's as easy as it is. Awesome. All right, we got to go to the post office and ship this off. Haha. All right, let's do this. I'll see you in a minute. Another gorgeous day. Man. I love the look of that. Alright, here we are at the post office. Let's drop off the package. Alright, the package is secure. Going back home.